As for the augmented matrix, calculate the rank. So here for this augmented matrix, if you perform R2 minus 2 R1, it results in what? So it will, first two elements will not change, and here it will be resulting in 0, 0, 10 minus
-2.
minus.
-2.
Is it possible to get 0 here? Further? Yes, it is not possible to get 0 element at the third column. So here number of non-zero rows is how much? 2. So here rank of the augmented matrix AB, it is equal to 2. And here you can see that the rank of A is 1 and rank of A comma B is 2. So here you can observe. So here we can write rank of A is not equal to rank of the augmented matrix A comma B. So here what we can make the statement? The system is inconsistent and it has no solution. So since the ranks are not equal, so here you can make the statement like system is inconsistent and has no solution. So in such cases, you will not be having any solution if the rank differs. So take the next problem. Consider the equations 2x plus y plus z is equal to 5, x plus y plus z is equal to 4, x minus y plus 2z is equal to 1. Considering these equations, check whether the given equations represents the consistent system. If they are consistent, solve in order to get the values of x, y, z. Considering these equations, check whether the system is consistent or not. If they are consistent, find the solution. So here, first write the given equations in the form Ax is equal to B. So here what it implies, what are the elements of matrix A? 2, 1, 1, 1, 1, 1, 1 minus 1, 2, x is nothing but the variables x, y, z, 3 variables are there, which is equal to B. That is on the right hand side, we have 5, 4, 1. So now for this, let us consider matrix A only, and for this we'll find the rank of the given matrix. So here A is, and write like this, 2, 1, 1, 1, 1, 1, 1 minus 1, 2. For this, first perform the operation like ಏನು ಮಾಡ್ಬೋದು?
R2 minus R1.
R2 minus R1, and also perform R3 with R3 minus R1.
Ma'am, 2R2 minus 2R2 minus R1.
Okay. So first, before that, what we do is we'll do one thing, we'll exchange the rows. That would be better, right? Here, instead of performing all this, just exchange the rows, R1 and R2. So now what you get? Matrix A as 1, 1, 1, 2, 1, 1, 1 minus 1, 2. Right? And then, now you can perform the operation. ಏನು ಮಾಡ್ಬೋದು ಈಗ ಹೇಳಿ? R2 is performed with R2 minus 2 times of R1 ಮಾಡ್ಬೋದಾ? And R3 is performed with R3 minus R1. Yes, with this, what do you get? First row elements will remain same. Next, ಏನು ಬರುತ್ತೆ?
Zero minus 1 minus 1.
Minus 1.
Minus 1.
For this, 0 minus 2, 2 minus 1 is 1, right? And for this, once again, can you try with R3? R3 minus 2, R2 ಮಾಡ್ಬೋದಾ? If you do that, what do you get? It will remain same. You cannot perform elementary operations on R2. You cannot do that because once again the first element it will go with non-zero value. So avoid R3 minus 2 R2 ಮಾಡಿದ್ರೆ ಏನು ಬರುತ್ತೆ? 0 minus 2 minus of minus ಅಂದ್ರೆ 0 1 minus
2 3
this is nothing
3
but
3
3 na plus 3, right? Yes. Can we reduce it further?
No, ma'am.
The rank of matrix A is 3. Similarly, we just perform the same operations on augmented matrix A, comma B. And one more thing, instead of performing every time separately on matrix A and the matrix A, comma B, so you can club those because we are going to perform the same operations, right? Same operations ಮಾಡ್ತೀರಾ. So here for this problem, I'll just show how to get the rank of matrix A and rank of matrix A, comma B within the same augmented matrix A, comma B. So now consider the augmented matrix A, comma B. Do it fast so that we can finish it soon. So here we have the elements like 2, 1, 1, 1, 1, 1, 1 minus 1, 2. Draw a line. So here we have what are the solution? 5, 4, 1. So now here we'll be writing 5, 4, 1. Whatever the operation that you have performed here, the same operations you are going to perform. So first use the transformation function R1 transform with R2. So here it will be resulting in what are the elements? So here 1, 1, 1, 4. Entire second row elements will shifted to the first row. Here in the second row we'll be having 2, 1, 1, 5 and 1 minus 1, 2, 1. On this, you can perform the same operations as we have performed earlier. R2 minus 2 R1 and the R3 is performed with R3 minus R1. The same operation. We are not going to change the operations on the augmented matrix. So here it will be resulting in 1, 1, 1, 4. The second row elements will be 0 minus 1. Already we have solved this. Only you have to look into this one. 5 minus 10 antandre. It will be resulting in how much? ಎಷ್ಟು ಬರುತ್ತೆ?
minus 3.
Minus 3.
3.
And the next, here it will be resulting in 0 minus 2, 1 minus 3. And on this, if you perform R3 minus 2 R2, what it will result in? Draw a line like this to differentiate. So here we'll be having 1, 1, 1, 4. That will not change. 0 minus 1 minus 1 minus 3 and 0, 0, 3, 3, right? So here, draw a line like this. So here, for considering only these elements within the matrix A, so here you can choose or you can write the rank of the given matrix. So yes, since the number of non-zero rows in this 3 cross 3 is 3, so here we'll be writing rank of a matrix A is 3. And similarly, rank of matrix A, comma B. So here, in this case, you have to consider the entire elements. So entire elements of the matrix A, comma B. So considering this, here also, the number of non-zero rows is 3. So here it is equal to 3. So here, rank of A is equal to rank of A, comma B. So which is also equal to number of unknowns. So how many unknowns we have? So we have 3 unknowns, X, Y, Z. So here, the rank of the matrix that is obtained, it is equal to the number of unknowns. So here the system is consistent with a unique solution. So now considering the reduced form of the augmented matrix, you can write the equation and you can get the values of x, y, z. So here you can write, in order to get the solution, 1, 1, 1, 0, minus 1, minus 1, 0, 0, 3. So this would be easier into x, y, z, which is equal to 4 minus 3, 3. So having the row reduced form of the augmented matrix or matrix A, you can get the solution. So here what is the first equation? X plus y plus just write the equation and tell me the answer. Just stuck with the pen. X plus y plus z is equal to 4. And here what is the next equation? Minus y minus z is equal to minus 3, which implies y plus z is equal to 3. Right? And then 3z is equal to 3. So what it implies? Z is equal to 1. Right?
1.
So when z is equal to 1, what is y? Y is 3 minus z, which is equal to 2. And what about x? Y and z,
2.
which is also equal to 1. So here it is having a unique solution with x is equal to 1, y is equal to 2, and z is equal to 1. So here remember one thing, if the rank of the matrix A and the rank of the augmented matrix are same, then the system is consistent. And also suppose if the rank of the matrix obtained, if it is equal to the number of unknowns, then it will be having a unique solution. Suppose if the rank of matrix is less than the number of unknown, then it will be having the infinite solution. So these points you need to remember while solving the problems. So here in the next class, we'll take some different problems on the linear combinations and also to check the rank. So now all of you can leave and join for the next class. Thank you.